How do we add decimal fractions? We wish to add 24.15 and 2.008. There are many ways in which students add decimal fractions, but let me explain the best way to you. To avoid silly mistakes, the first thing we should do is make both the decimal fractions like. 2.008 has 3 decimal places, while 24.15 has 2. To make them like, we can write 24.15 as 24.150 and 2.008 as is. Now both decimal fractions are like. Once they are like, we just have to place or align the numbers vertically. The first number is 24.150. While writing the second number underneath, we have to make sure that the decimal points come exactly one under the other. We write this as 2.008. The tenths place of the second number is under the tenths place of the first, and so are the hundredths place and the thousandths place. And even the ones place is under the ones place of the first number. Once we have placed the numbers correctly, all we need to do is add them. How do we add them? Like normal addition, we start from the right. 0 plus 8 is 8, 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 0 is 1. Once we reach here, we put the decimal point right under the decimal points and continue with the addition. 4 plus 2 is 6 and 2 plus 0 is 2. That's how straightforward addition is. We convert the decimal fractions into like terms, place them vertically and add them. Is it possible to add 3 decimal fractions in the same way? Let's try to add 14.45, 13.049 and 2.001. First, we make all the decimal fractions like. These two have 3 digits in their decimal places. The first one has just 2. So let's write the first fraction as 14.450. We write the other 2 as is. Now we have 3 like fractions and we can place them one under the other. We write 14.450 first. Right under it, we write 13.049. Make sure that the same decimal places come under the same column. Tenths place, hundredths place and the thousandths place. Same with the integral part. Ones place and the tenths place. The next number we have is 2.001. Now that we have placed the numbers vertically, we can easily add them starting from the right. 9 plus 1 is 10. As we cannot write a 10 here, we write a 0 and a 1 here. 1 plus 5 plus 4 is again 10. We write a 0 here and a 1 on the top. 1 plus 4 is 5. We put a decimal point right under the decimal points. 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. We're just adding the columns, nothing else. The sum of these 3 decimal fractions is 29.500, which can also be written as 29.5.